Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, Cherry Tree Lane holds vigil with emotional bonfire of remembrance after deadly mass shooting. Cherry Tree residents lit a bonfire last Friday evening, hoping its flame, if even symbolically, would burn the ghastly memories of 2 Sundays ago when their lives changed forever. 18 persons were shot, 8 of them killed, among them fellow residents and friends in the 2 location mass shooting in Fort Path, Clarendon. Now, their community is marred by the bloodiest gun attack in Jamaica history. My wisdom warriors, on the here wagwan from Watagwan, Cherry Tree Lane holds vigil with emotional bonfire of remembrance after deadly mass shooting. So on see I never only in a one place, my wisdom warriors. Yeah, it was 2 different locations, yeah, and 4 different parts of Clarendon. It happened. You understand? So when you see the news media come out other day and huff and puff like they want to blow the house down, and you have MP Cousins come out. Yeah, MP Cousin is the member of parliament for the PNP group. Yeah, he came out and he wasn't happy with the situation. Yeah, and he wasn't telling a lie, he was telling the truth. And then you have girl like Juliet Cockburn Flynn, she come out and tell lies, so she disappointed with MP Cousin. I don't know what she disappointed about. She never want what she disappointed with. She never want the man to come out and expose what was happening. Why on always say PNP a defend, but really and truly a JLP a defend criminality in my wisdom warriors. JLP always a defend criminality. Remember, say the MP go down there, my wisdom warriors. Remember, say a PNP area, and the MP go down there. Remember, me showing you the video clip over here, so. Them go down there, and when they reach down there, then she said no police wasn't on the scene. Something like that at my mass shooting. No yellow tape no run out. No police no on the scene. Police came there, yes. That is what the interviewer say, the reporter say. The reporter say yes, police was there when them come, but when the MP reached, there wasn't no police. No yellow tape, nothing. So this no look good, my wisdom warriors. This no look good, This no look good at all. You understand me? And when PNP speak out, JLP come out and mislead the Jamaican people all the time. All the time, them always do that. I don't know why. And then go on like they and defend criminality. And them a defend criminality. And them a declare war. You understand? Make all these killings happen. Even when your Andrew Wallace come out and I say crime are reduced. I lie them a tell. Lie them a tell. Them the statistic they wrong. I'm not going to use no allergy. Lie them a tell. Action speak louder than words. You hear me? Action speak louder than words. And when we see action, we have to talk, my wisdom warriors. We see all of the crime we are happen. We see it. So how comes them a tell us a crime are reduced? This is a then take Jamaican people for fall. I hope Jamaican people look out at them, I hope they look and see that this government is not good for us, I hope Jamaican people are say what go on. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about that and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, who remember Medic? Who remember Medic, the young lady that went missing, my wisdom warriors? She was an upcoming artist. The family came out and the family saying, we are not battered, but we are hurt. Was the comment from the bereaved aunt of well-known entertainer Medic who went missing exactly a year ago. Her skeletal remains were later found in a cane field in Wallen, St. Catherine in February. So I say what go on. Family bids emotional farewell to entertainer Medic in Westmoreland. It is really sad, my wisdom warriors. Lot of our young ladies is going missing. And I not see nothing happen. I not hear the government talk about it. I'm not going to stop talk about the 11 young ladies who went missing from state care. How me not hear nothing about that? Eh? How me not hear nothing about that? 11 young lady went missing from a state care, from 2 different state care, my wisdom warriors. 6 from one and 6 from the other. You always hear me talk about it. About 2 months ago. And 11 went missing. It happened in the space of 2 months. Nearly 2 months, actually. I'm not hear nobody come out and talk about it. So really and truly, when I check it, are our children really safe in the state care? That's one question we have to ask, you know. Were children safe in a state care? I don't think so. Because if you can't have state care where them say a lockdown place, where you're supposed to have security, that's so. Yeah? And when 3 o'clock a morning, them a go around and I look for 6 pitney and they can't find it. Where are those pitney? Where them there? I mean, I hear no. I not see the police them come out and I do no search or nothing. So what is going on? What is the government doing to protect our children? Every day they get up and I tell we say we for protect we pitney. But what them I do? Because all now Del Right Chuck now release the sexual offender registry. So what una do? What are you guys doing? My wisdom warriors, all me can tell you say the government do not care about he, she, nor the old lady. Una hear me? That's why me I encourage una to protect yourself at all costs. Because anything happen to una or no family member, una go feel the pain, not government. Una hear me? Una go feel it. And one more thing when I want to add to it. Una see that monkeypox business what them a talk about, start wear una mask. Start cover up on yourself properly. Stop walking close to people. Because any day you hear so one case landing in Jamaica, that's where the problem lies. I want to think it's a joke thing because enough of you Jamaican, you know, when you hear about this and that, you take it for joke. But let me tell you something. You be no one. Do not take this monkeypox business for joke. A serious thing. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. 9 incidents of police failing to activate body cameras have triggered renewed scrutiny of the protocols intended to uphold transparency and accountability in interactions between the security forces and the public. These cases are among 14 incidents involving body-worn cameras recorded since October 2023. According to the Independent Commission of Investigations, the state agencies charged with investigating allegations of abuse by the security forces. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Right now, there is investigation, allegations going on of security forces abusing my wisdom warriors, the people of Jamaica. Abusing the people of Jamaica. And all of this is Andrew Walner's fault. Yes. Remember, so the whole of them said they answer to Andrew. Horace Chang come out and say, body cam is not a priority. Who agree with Horace Chang? Who agree with him, my wisdom warriors? My wisdom warriors, me always tell us that me have a proof, you know. When you hear me always talk about Horace Chang, I say, body camera is not a top priority. Me tell you so me have proof. Me probably never shown it at the time. You understand? Because me have so much things on the file, my wisdom warriors, and me can't find everything at once. But now me have it right here. So take a look at the screen. Dr. Horace Chang says body-worn cameras are not a top priority at this time. My wisdom warriors, this was the 16th of November 2023. Take a look. Yeah, and guess what? Me have the voice note too for only hear when Horace Chang chat off his mouth. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says, although body-worn cameras are important, they are not a top resource priority for the police at this time. You can imagine? So him knows say it is important. Him know that. So it is important both for the police, both for the residents, for the citizens. Yeah? But even though he knows that it is important, that's enough for him top priority. Una go here for Horace Chang priority, my wisdom warriors. Dr. Chang was pressed by journalists at Wednesday post-cabinet press briefing to explain the delay in outfitting members of the constabulary with the devices. Earlier this month, this was last year in my Wisdom Warriors, November 2023. Earlier this month, the Independent Commission of Investigation, INDICOM, called on local law enforcement officials to urgently fix the issue of a lack of body-worn cameras during operations. INDICOM says body cameras were present at only one of the 106 shooting incidents involving police since the start of the year. But Dr. Chang says there is no proof the security forces are conducting operations unprofessionally. You hear them something here? Dr. Chang says there's no proof. Obviously, because you need camera, you need body camera, Dr. Chang. Mighty God of Daniel, all them people are so dumb. My Wisdom Warriors, Dr. Chang says there is no proof the security forces are conducting operations unprofessionally. Yes, there is no proof because you can't see them. You cannot see them. So there is no proof that they conducting operations professionally and unprofessionally. This is why the body cam should be a top priority, Dr. Chang. This boy, me don't know how they have doctor run. Hey, they do things backwards still in my Wisdom Warriors. Me don't know how them have a doctor a deal with security forces. Me tell us Andrew Holness come like me don't know. Me really don't know what do them. You have a doctor a run police force. A doctor, you know, a run security forces. This don't make no sense. Dr. Chang does a sleep. You don't have a clue, my Wisdom Warriors. Because you are saying out here that there is no proof. How there is supposed to be proof when you don't have no body camera? That's why you need to get the body camera that INDICOM try tell you, no brother. You need to get the body cam. It is very important. And you even say, Dr. Chang, you say it is important. So if it's important, why not get body cam? Jano, my Wisdom Warriors, I want to take in Horace Chang.
Cameras is among the many resources we have to acquire to be put on the list, but there are priorities. I have to acquire ballistic vests, ballistic helmets, I have to acquire motor vehicles. In fact, the surveys suggest that the most reassuring presence of the police in the community is patrols. That's cost item. In the process for patrol vehicles to be effective, I have to ensure there is effective communication, and that means acquiring not only police radios, but developing the entire network of communication. I have to provide the police with places to work from, which means fixing police stations. Body-worn camera is one of those elements, and it's part of what we'll do. Body-worn cameras is among the many resources we have to acquire to be put on the list, but there are priorities. I have to acquire ballistic vests, ballistic helmets, I have to acquire motor vehicles. In fact, the surveys suggest that the most
My Wisdom Warriors, so on here where Horace Chang say, he have priorities. Where you have to get vests, you have to think about radios, you have to think about vehicles. And them their priorities. Uno listen good what Horace Chang tell we. Uno listen good. Tell me if these people want to solve crime. Tell me if these people really want to solve crime, my Jamaican people. Them people here don't want to solve no crime. I'm always come and tell you no day in, day out. Horace Chang. This Horace Chang that. You know always hear me come, my Wisdom Warriors. I always tell you say Horace Chang say body cam is not a priority. And me tell you say anytime me talk anything, me always have evidence to back me up. You no play with me. Me tell you, me not just come and talk. Anytime when you hear me say the word allege, that means me not have it. But when you hear me not talk about allege, just know me have sitting upon file. You hear me? So see there, you hear it for yourself. Dr. Horace Chang, our Deputy Prime Minister and our National Security. Mighty God of Daniel. Wanna tell me what you think of my Wisdom Warriors? Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Remember to bless up the PayPal. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, just text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.